How to install an additional forum module in DotNetNuke. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged into the DotNetNuke admin area. Now let's learn how to install additional DotNetNuke modules or extensions. In this tutorial, we're going to add a forum module. We have already added a page called Forum for this purpose. Let's select a forum module from this menu list. Enter forum's title and specify its location on the page. Then click Add. That's it! The forum module has been successfully added. Scroll down to view all its options. Scroll up. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install additional modules or extensions in DotNetNuke and configure them to your liking.